Hello everyone, my name is Basi from TradewithBolu Online Services. I'm here with weekly analysis, giving you an overview of what to expect this coming week in the markets. So this week we are going to be looking at 5 major pairs: GBPUSD, USDJPY, CADCHF GBPAUD and EURUSD. Right, so now it's time looking at GBPUSD from the monthly time frame and see making lower highs, right? And based on the fact that that's a downtrend, we expect it to come all the way, take out at least the previous lows. Right? This is the monthly time frame, so that's going to take a very long time to be completed. But that's just give us a view of what's happening. So going down to lower time frames, you can see that this acting as the level of resistance now, right? And then here we see this one's uptrend, and now the structure was broken right here with this wick, took out the previous higher low, and we see new lower highs and lower lows forming, which gives us an idea that a new downtrend is starting. So that said, going down once again, lower time frame, we can see on the daily we should sort of draw a trend line here by connecting these points, and we see that price is already respecting that and showing strong signs of reversal from this point. So we expect this price to fall all the way, take out the previous lows and maybe pull back, but still continue the downtrend. So GBPUSD for the week, expecting it to be bearish, right? Go down at least to this level right here. Yeah, so that's it for GBPUSD. You could go down to lower time frames for cleaner entries, maybe snipers. Looking at this, maybe you could connect trend line, and at break of that trend line, actually if you connect one, it's already broken, so maybe you wait for a retest of that trend line and possibly this other block, right? That would be my point of interest. Market retraces back to that, then we expect it to fall from there, right? So that's it for the GBPUSD. Moving on to the USDJPY. JPY has been on a very strong bullish move the past week. Right, it broke through this previous level of resistance, and when it got to this other level, it seemed like it was a bit stronger because we're holding from all the way here. Market seems to be respecting it once again and falling from that point, right? So if we go on to lower time frame, having an idea of what's happening from higher time frame, you can see here that the structure was broken, right? This was higher low, and now we broke this and made a lower low. So we've had a bit of confirmation that downtrend is starting. We need two lower lows and lower highs to confirm that exchange. So we have two lower lows here, just need another lower high. So market pulls back up, and then we expect it to retrace and fall from there towards this next level, right? It was a level of resistance which could possibly act as support now, and market's coming back to retest it. So maybe on the lower time frame we could see possible points of entry. Can you draw a trend line here? Yes, not too perfect, but yes. So market retraces back to this trend line and gives us signs of reversal, joining continued trade right towards this level. That'll be where you take your first profits. You could hold all the way because there's high chances that this impulsive move should be corrected. So price could fall all the way down to this level or to this previous low, right? So to this level, right? So either ways we expect USDJPY to be falling for this week, and let's move on to the next. Let's see the CHF. So yes, see CHF. You can see let's go down. Yes, so from here quickly, it's this trend line that's my point of interest. Let's connect this high, and then market come back to test it right there. So without much time wasting, you can see breaking market structure right there. It was supposed to be a trend line here that got shattered, right, and was connecting these points. The trend line got broken, and with that we expect it to continue going down, right? And just as you would expect in a standard downtrend, it should take out the previous lows, right? So expect market to fall down to this level, and this is our first okay, this will be your first point to consider taking profit at area of resistance, possibly turning to support, and then this previous low will be your second target. And with that, move on to the next, GBPAUD. So from here you can see a trend line. Okay. So let's say I want to connect from here, and this, let's see, market is just touching on that trend line, right? So we expect market to retrace upwards from there, but the thing is that in lower time frame, right, you can see there's a really strong downtrend, right, marked out with this trend line. So in this case, we wait for this trend line to be completely broken, and then you see a new trend start before entering, because most times when market trends like this into a level of resistance support trend line, it will most likely break it. But then if it doesn't, then you could join in with the sell. As if market retraces to this trend line and begins to go down, then you could take the sell. But if it breaks through and gives you a higher low, maybe you retest on the trend line, then you could consider buy. So those are the two options. You just wait patiently, see what the market does. It's always good to, even if you have your general view, you should be able to react quickly to whatever is happening in the market. So let's go down to final pair. EURUSD, before I marked this, and see quickly this rising channel. So EURUSD was in a downtrend, it broke structure and begins to fly up, right? And that's not just anyhow. If you look at the high time frame, you can see that this inefficiency is being filled, right? Let me just take out those drawings and I'll show you that quickly. So this inefficiency right here, markets came back, fill it, and expect it to fly up from there, right? So back to the lower time frames, you can see this is our channel, right? What we're looking at. So from here you can expect market to push up down here, come down, and just keep moving within that channel. EURUSD is a very trendy pair, and when it trends, it really trends. So that's what we're expecting. So that's it for today's video, right? Hope you found value in this video. If you did, be sure to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for your time.